What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another Zabbix video. In this time I will talk about host availability widget. This is a built-in widget starting with like forever, and how to improve the experience, because out from the box, from my point of view, the experience is it could be better. Okay, let's start. And what we are talking about here is this widget, and it is showing the state of devices. I mean the status of availability, if your agent is online, if your network device is online, it will show available, not available, and so on. And I personally I'm not a fan of this not available. It's printing numbers, and even if we do some like clicking, one click, double click, triple click, it does not reveal what kind of equipment sits behind those numbers. And when the goal is to improve, then this is getting like a struggle. So how we can do better? And there is tools available. One of the best widgets is a top hosts widget, and by using that widget we can kind of extract what sits behind those numbers, and let's do that right now. Before I go that direction, I will explain where the data is coming from, because Zabbix product, it's already knows when equipment is offline. You know, we have those red ZBX or SNMP icons like inside the front end. When we see those red icons, those are like detected by the monitoring software. It knows like something is not good with this device and it's currently offline. And here I will open some random template. We'll go to the items, and the magic happens here in the filter section. What we can do, we can clear the filtering here, click, target the whole templates group, like all the templates, and then in the item key I can put Zabbix square brackets host, and type is Zabbix internal. So this is internal item who is responsible to record and track when device goes down, and when it comes back to the life, then this item like is one of the ones which can help. So now I'm filtering out all the templates, and we can see like we have three categories. One is Zabbix agent availability, which is like when passive checks is not working. We can see the official Windows template, we can see official Linux template. The item name is the same on both templates. That will be kind of important thing when I create like a solution in the dashboarding. And these items are having already the triggers, agent is down, and so that's the first category. Passive checks is not working. Another category is network equipment is not working, and this is as well having like trigger. From my point of view, it should be like a higher severity. If the data collection is not working, then that's like super bad. We are flying blind. So two categories so far, passive checks and network equipment, and the last one is active checks. So active agent availability, this got introduced only starting from version 6.4, or we can practically tell like 7.0 LTS. If you renew the template in the 7.0, now we have a so-called like heartbeat available, and it's not only the template. We need to have agent 7.0 or maybe 6.4. So the agent must be very new, and then also for the active checks it will start to generate those nice green icons. And so all these things, all these availability items, it is having a built-in trigger which indicates like the data collection is not working anymore. So we will target three different item names. Now I will copy this to the clipboard right now. It is the name of the active checks, and visiting the dashboarding now, creating the first widget right away here. Click add widget, top hosts widget, and I will target everything. And here the host name will be host, and we will target item value, and I will put the value from the clipboard, select, and put here okay, and 0 decimal places. And now one magical thing is introducing a value mapping here right in the dashboard. If we go back to that item here, this is the item, or if I may, like, this is the official one, and we are targeting active checks. If we open the item, then we see value mapping is attached to this guy, and if we look on the actual value mapping over here, this is the explanation, like bad news is number 2, good news is number 1, and 0 is unknown. So that's for active checks, and I can put here thresholds. Bad news is 2, good news is 1, and unknown news is 0. Yes, perfect thing. Okay, and add, and I will put also the title here, agent active available, and it prints like when my active checks are not working, like this first one guy, it is definitely running like 7.0 agent. It's the reason why it's able to report back the heartbeat. And if I have something unknown, maybe the agent is outdated and it's not able yet to report the heartbeat correctly. Okay, let's clone this widget a few times. Click and click, and adjusting the second category, those will be passive checks. Here on the very top, I have a different item to target. I will select this guy to the clipboard, copy, enter. Editing the widget characteristics, editing the name. I will target different name, Zabbix agent availability, and actually for passive checks this value mapping is different. If we check here Windows by Zabbix agent, then the bad news is 0, good news is 1, and number 2 is unknown. And so bad news is 0. Like here, and unknown news is number 2. Okay, and that's it. Update host agent availability, Zabbix agent availability. Okay, and here you go. Like first block is targeting active checks, the second block is targeting passive checks. It's showing what's currently not working with your passive checks. Now the third category is network equipment. We are targeting this guy. Copy, enter, switching the like different style. What is the value mapping? Let's open here, and value mapping is here. Bad news is number 0, not available, and good news is 1. Good news is 1, bad news is 0, and number 2 is, let's double check again, yes, not available, 0. Okay, copy to clipboard and apply, and here you go. Now network equipment, here it's indicating which one is not available. Okay, yeah, here actually, like what we target top hosts, and host, actually this is like we target agent availability, and number 2 is bigger than 0, and so this means top n, we target top n. Apply, so those are on top. Here the bad news is 0, so we would target again a Zabbix agent availability, but we will target bottom. Apply, and here again we will target bottom and agent availability. Apply, and last one, it's for entertainment. There is another very nice thing, and which is called ping, where like if the device is pingable, then great. If not, then not so great. And here the item key is ICMP ping, which is not really related to this widget, but since availability monitoring is quite powerful, like if the ping is working, then this is also a very nice tool to add to the dashboard to indicate when the device is not pingable at the moment. Apply. Here again, if it is small, number is small, then device is not pingable, and like call it this way and apply. So this is full picture. How I would like replace this host availability. It's it does not reveal like what's not available, but now we have so many like good leads. Usually the next very step I would do, like now, like it's not available. I can click on here on the host name, visit like items, and now I can click on icon and I can see like what is the message. Like this is the root cause. This is my next actionable step. How I troubleshoot the issue. Maybe it's a firewall issue, wrong IP address, wrong credentials. So like clicking on the host title, visiting the items, and then we can see that red icon and see what's the thing. All right, that's everything for this video. If you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, and thanks you for watching.